After watching this video, I decided to install Photoshop Generative AI. So let's start on that. Okay, so first we need to open the Google Chrome. Let me zoom it. Okay, so we need to type here Adobe Creative Cloud. So then it will be open so much of link there. So once it's open, so you can see it here, the Photoshop generative field. So below there is one download Adobe Creative Cloud app. So click that one. So then it will be open and it will ask, like, for India there is no application for that, so it's not bother about this thing. Just close this one and download this Creative Cloud. You can see the option top. So then it will take some time and it will open a new page. So in the new window you will see it. Yeah, so in this new window you can see how to install the Creative. There is some setups here, and this time also parallelly it's downloading. In the top corner you can see it here. So once it's downloaded, then I will start the installing. So yeah, it's completed. So open this download file, just right click the open here. Okay, so once it takes some time and it will ask for the administration permissions. Okay, so then click the continue. There is some authentication it's required and it will take some time to open. Then go to the Creative Cloud desktop. Here you can just ignore this and click the done option. So then in top you can see the home app file discover. So just zoom out. Okay, so below you can see the icons are here. Okay, go to the app. In the home side, app is there. Click the app, and in the left side option you can see the beta apps, right? So click that beta apps. So in right side you will see the Photoshop beta. So just click the install. So it will take some time. It's around 4 to 5 zip compressed file. So it will take some time to download. Now it's 65% is completed. Okay, once it's done, I will start opening this one. Before that, you can see the like dashboard, how the Creative Cloud desktop is here. So there is some options like Adobe Express, Adobe Apps, Adobe Pro, all these things, and below you can see the Instagram post, all these things. Okay, so now it's downloading completed. So I'll click the open. So you can see the below Photoshop icon is open. So just click that one. It will take some time to load. So once it's load, click the try once, because we are not buying, we are just giving the try one. Okay, so give the try button and just close it. So it's giving some kind of tutorials like how we can generate the AI.